Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your GetTransfer account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for GetTransfer. Then next, once we're in the website, we're going to log in. So after we log in, we're going to click on the account section on the top right corner, then click on account settings. As you can see, there's the delete my account option. We're going to click on it. Then as you can see, we're going to permanently delete our account and click on OK. So this is how we delete our account. If you guys want to create an account again, as you always know, you can click on login or sign up on the top right corner page. So this is how you do it. We also have different tutorials in our YouTube page. I hope you guys check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.